Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can come up with a residual Bouguer anomaly grid. Also how to plot the map. Before we move further, let's open the OS montage graph new project we created the other time. This was where we left. So all you need to do first of all is to load this menu mag map to do regional separation mag map using spectral analysis. Then we'll come here, derivative filter, prepare grid, then we'll call BA 3, then start. Is a Bouguer anomaly what we prepared at the time. So it takes some few time to finish because of the grid size. That is the reason why. So I have to take some time for it to finish. So we have to wait till I finish this part. To the next mag map, derivative filtering for this derivative filtering radioactive spectrum, then BA. That's finished. Then display spectrum. You see this is the spectrum file of the areas how the depth are estimated. Then we'll go there, we'll come to interactive filter, interactive spectrum filters. Then we'll select this one, we'll call it a mag map 1. Directive filtering. Then this, we'll click and just name it anyone you want to name it, and okay. And now we need to select the first one. The second part we have to have the bandpass filter. Then click on preview. This one allowed us to have reject or pass. So take this part, this portion part here. This is a residual. This wanted to pass. Reduce this part. All this part is noise. And 5, 4, 7, 8, then 9, then 10, 11. We'll remove some of them. Then 12. So now it look better. While we're removing all these deeper features, these are all noise in the data, so we take all of this part. At least this one will be okay for us. the part that is rejected, you see it's the original part that is rejected. So this is the residual we can take to separate this noise data and this deeper features. This is okay. If we take 13, let's see. It was, I think, 12, this 5 will work best. Then this one will not be okay for us, then click OK. Then come to map, directive filter, apply filter. Because you see map 1, then click on this. The output we call PA res XY. Save, then OK. So this gives us the Bouguer, residual Bouguer anomaly map, study area. Then from this, all you need to do is to reproject this one. PA res LL. Next, geographic. After geographic, and place OK, then finish. All you need to do, all this one, all control key, then remove. I think this one we don't need it to remove. Click this one, then click on get an image utilities to send it to database that we can use in the next couple of videos. Then the BA res XY, then BA res. So those are the data we have. From this we see database export, BA, we type it BA res ArcGIS data. So any name we give it. Then from list all lines, then OK, and select move all, or move all, then click OK. So I've exported them. So now window close all. Now this is one we have open. Then we open the as montage and ArcGIS so that we can plot the map also there. I will come back to this map, new map, scan grid, BA res. Next, we have BA res, scale, then finish. The map tool, draw base map, draw base map. This is 5, this is 2. Next, ethics, then select this positive X east, then BA res map, then finish. The map tool, single grid, BA res, apply this, then is current map to the unit in milligal. You can place it 3 places of decimal, then locate, click here, then OK, and click on this. Click on this, then ArcGIS MSD, click on this. Click on this now, then click a folder here, or you can right click here, New, just click on this, you write maps, you press enter, click to get into the folder, then click save, then OK. I'll close window, then close all. No, all OK. Project save. Then we can now close. Then we can now go to this, open this, then file, open, desktop, the gravity, the maps. Can now follow the same procedure we did. Delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. Click on this. Residual, Bouguer, anomaly, grade. Bouguer, gravity, Bouguer. Anomaly, map. Residual, gravity. Press enter, double click. Residual gravity will get anomaly map. Then from there change it to 14. Bold, then OK, apply, then air. Then move it here, then click this one, shift, move it a little bit down. Hold this one, then click on this plus so that you can extend the size, move it around, and click on this this pointer, black pointer, then click on this hand tool to move it. OK, then click back on this, then click here, right click, properties, new grids, then next, properties, right, 12 lines, intervals, 6, applied, OK, applied, OK. You hold the shift key to move it down. So that we can move it down a bit. Insert, not arrow. You click drag here to come here. And from there, then scale bar. We'll start the scale bar down here. Insert neat line for the border around it. You click to move it, expand it a little bit. You don't touch it, but closer. Now everything looks set. Now bring the shape files. Go back a bit. Shape files. Hold study area. Hold down the control key. Study area, outspring, and towns. Add them up. Okay. Click on the study area. Click on this edit symbol. Outline. Click on this. And OK. Then OK. And double click on this. And remove that that on the underscore, then create a space, apply it, okay. And towns, click on this, make it 9. You can just type 9 there, or keyboard, then move it up. To click on that towns, go under labels, click label features in this layer, then symbol, choose the format you like, then I choose this as my own, then reduce this to 11, then apply, then okay. Then hot spring spot, click on this and give it symbol we're using, then change this one to around 25, change the color to red, or can change it to black. So have a proper construct, okay. Then this is set. Now the legend, towns, remove towns, the next finish, then move it down, click this up, move it to the right. Then this is, double click on this so that we can increase the font size. Go to item, select all, and change it to 10, and apply, then okay. Even that for the towns, go to insert legend, this, remove, then next, back, then remove the legend name, next, finish. You drag it down, double click on it, then change the font size to 10, apply, then okay. Residual gravity Bouguer anomaly map. So this is what we have in illegal. So we have these values, set, then save, then file, export. Gravity, then click this to create a folder, which is the images. Go back, images, PRES. Go back and there we'll see what we have under gravity, images. So this is what we have. So we have our residual gravity Bouguer anomaly map, the study area. This is what we have. So that's how it is.